Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to change the Downloads folder in the Opera browser. This can help you stay more organized and save files where you prefer. Whether you're new to Opera or just looking to customize your settings, this guide is for you. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Next, move your cursor to the top left corner and click on the red Opera icon. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, once you're on the Settings page, go to the top search bar and type in Downloads. Now, scroll down until you find the Downloads section. At this point, click the Change button next to the current download folder path. Finally, choose the new folder where you want your future downloads to be saved, then click. Select to confirm. That's it. Opera will now use this folder as the default location for your downloads. That wraps up this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more browser tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.